Well, now we're going to do question 1.3. In the previous videos, we did question 1.1 and 1.2. Question 1.3 says solve for x and y. So 1.3, we need to find the value of x and also the value of y. And then x is given to be 2y equal to 2y, and x squared minus 5xy equal to negative 24. Now, we're going to solve the two equations simultaneously. I prefer to label this equation 1 and that one equation 2. And in equation 1, we already have x expressed in terms of y. So we can just use that value, substitute it in the second equation. So now let's do 1 in 2. This will be, instead of writing x squared, I'm going to write the value of x squared. So we have like x squared minus 5x y equal to negative 24. Okay, I prefer to move the negative 24 over. And then this will be plus 24. So like y plus 24 equal to 0. Now, instead of x, I will assume the value of 2y, because that's the value of x. And then the equation is now expressed in terms of y, okay? Let's prove it. 2y to the power of 2 will make 4y squared, because this exponent here, the power of 2, is for both 2 and y. And then minus 10y squared. Okay, over here we won't do 5y, no, we just times all this. 5 times 2 makes 10, and y times y makes y squared. Okay, plus 24 equals 0. Now we notice that we each term, whenever you work out the equation, always check the terms. Okay, it's better to simplify as you're working, instead of working with huge numbers and simplify at the end. Simplify as we move it on step by step. Like here, we can notice each term here is a multiple of 2. So I prefer to divide the terms by 2. And then we will have like 2y squared minus 5y squared. Okay, plus 12 equal to 0. Now here 2y squared minus 5y squared also. This should be simplified from the previous line, but we can also simplify it here. This makes negative 3y squared plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, if I move the 12 over, that makes negative 12. Then I can just move this way, my board this way. So we have like we have negative 3y squared equal to negative 12. So we can divide both sides of the equation by negative 3. And then we will have like y squared equal to 4. Now, if we need to work out the value of y, we can just square root both sides. Square root both sides, and then this will make y equal to, remember this, always put plus or minus when you work out the equation, plus or minus 2. Okay, so there are two solutions here for y. Now that we find y, we can substitute it in equation 1 to find the value of x. Okay, this means that y equal to 2 and y equal to negative 2. Now, because x was equal to 2y, we can substitute the value of 2, the value of x, then we sub 2, we have x is equal to 4. And then that also, because x is equal to 2y, we have like x is equal to negative 4. So these are the solutions, okay? Or maybe I can just take this one. We find when y is equal to 2, x is equal to 4. When y is equal to -2, x is equal to -4. Thank you.